Renovating a bathroom can be a daunting task, especially if you are doing it on your own, but no matter how long it takes you, the results can be astonishing. Hello, my name is Enis, and in this video I will be showing you a tour of my newly renovated bathroom. In today's pandemic time, construction materials are hard to get and they become more expensive each day. Contractors are booked for months in advance and they are not getting more affordable either. So it makes perfect sense to start working on your home projects yourself. If you have an outdated bathroom as I did, you may want to update it for various reasons such as better functionality, updated look, because you're handy and you don't have anything else to do. And last but not least, it's been said that remodeling a bathroom can boost the value of your home significantly. Now let's cut to the chase. I tore everything out except for the walls and installed the ceramic tiles, bathtub, faucets, lights, bathroom fan, mirror, and a towel warmer. The only thing that I kept was a toilet bowl, which I installed a year ago. For the walls and the floor, I used ceramic tiles, and for the bathtub wall, I installed glass tiles. While this video shows only the final results of my work, I want to give out a few tips if you're considering doing a project like this yourself. So here they are. Give yourself enough time and plan each step ahead. Research before you go to the next step a few days ahead. For example, I had installed glass tiles before, but I used a different mortar this time, and they started falling off within few days. Luckily, I noticed this on time, and after much consideration, I was able to find a glass tile only mortar at the Home Depot. Order or buy parts ahead because you might not find them in stock when you need them. And another tip that I have for you is plan your budget and add 50% to 100% to it, as there are always unforeseeable costs, new tools you need, or better quality things available than what you considered before. So if you estimated the costs of your future home project to be $2,000, add another $1,000 or $2,000 to it, as expenses can sometimes dramatically rise. In the description of the video you can find the links to some videos that I made while remodeling this bathroom. But due to lack of time and the length of project, there are not as many videos about it as I wish I had made. Another thing that I'm going to do is include all the parts I used and links to them, so if you like something you noticed, you can quickly find it yourself. Thanks for watching FHP channel, stay healthy and consider liking this video and subscribing.